The day has arrived. You can now provide a text prompt to Walling to generate an organized web page for or about anything. So today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to hit the ground running using Walling with AI. So first up, as you can see on the Start a New Wall page, there is a new button. So if we hit that, a dialog box comes up and it says, ask AI to create a new wall, with some examples coming up as well. So if you've used ChatGPT, or other AI solutions like this, you might be familiar with providing text prompts. Generally, the rule of thumb is the more detail you provide, the more accurate it will be. So yeah, if there's something that you want to aggregate information about or organize or, plan for, this would be a great usage of this with Walling. So let's try it out with a employee onboarding page for a tech startup. So while this isn't a super detailed prompt, you can see we do sort of cover the bases because we have sort of the audience of the wall, what the purpose of the wall is, and then sort of the niche of the wall or the styling or lean of the wall's content. So we hit enter and it will start generating a wall for us from scratch. So now's a great time to mention that this is just the very first version of Walling's AI, and it will continue to be adjusted and iterated upon as time goes on. So let's see what we've got so far. We've got a welcome message, a mood board, a team introduction, company policies, an onboarding checklist. Something to remember here is that creating a wall with AI is sort of supposed to be used as a starting point to save you some time in the creation of your wall so that you can take what comes out of the AI and sort of more tailor it to your needs. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and change the cover to, let's do an office setting. And then I'm going to put this one down here. And then maybe let's make this cover that 3 bricks wide. And I'll just make it a bit taller as well. And then I'll make this brick, since it's got more content, 2 columns wide. So sort of more even here. The mood board, I don't really think we need. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this section. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a new section, and the AI features are not just at the wall level, they are also at the section level, and they are also at the brick level. So as you can see here, there's an AI generate button for the section. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that, and then I'm going to do company's mission and values. And as you can see, there's actually an option to change the section view from either visual table or board. So if you had a preference on how that's presented, you can set that here prior to generating it. So let's see what it comes up with. All right, so we've got a nice banner image here, and then got sort of a nice template for our mission here that we can then go in and sort of adjust to our actual mission for the company, and some values here. I do actually want to add one more brick. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the column width to 3 and fix this to be the full width again. Adjust the height a bit. And then slide the values over here. And then I'm going to right click and do a new brick with AI. I'm going to do company culture. We've got ourselves a new brick about the company culture that I wrote for us. We can right click on the brick and remove the background so that it matches. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a section background color to this as well. So let's do, it's a nice light green. Next section is the team introductions, which I'm pretty happy with, except for the cover photo, which I'm going to find a slightly different cover photo for. Let's do this one. Yeah. So then we've got our list of team members and then sort of a list of tasks or objectives for the new employee to sort of get to know their team. The next section is the company policies. So we've got code of conduct and an NDA. And then lastly, we have an onboarding checklist, which is really great for not only the employee, but the employer to sort of make sure that they've covered everything with the onboarding process. Yeah, just keeps everyone on the same page. So there you have it. We can hit publish to the web. We've got ourselves a very nice onboarding wall that we can send directly to the new employee, and they will have an idea of what's going to happen in their onboarding process, what to expect, everything they need to know, all in one place. Super easy to reference and everything. So that's all for this one. We're very excited about these new features. We will definitely keep you updated on the new iterations of the AI. We'll definitely keep you inspired on how to use these new AI features. But all in all, I think the most fun comes from just trying it out for yourself, tinkering around with it. So if you'd like to, you can totally do all that, everything we did today for free right now on Walling. And if you do, let us know what you think. Share your outcomes with us. I mean, we'd love to see what you come up with using Walling's new AI. Until next time, have a good one.